So Trish and I are here with the greater Galago, and as you can see he's coming down. We give them bananas every evening, and these guys get very tame all across Nairobi. You can hear the ibis in the background going to bed. We also have tree hyrax. I'm hoping we might hear the call, as we did last night. And the Galago, as you know, urinates on its hands and feet, and that's how they're able to track each other through the trees. They're also thought to have an ultrasonic call. A lot of work has been done on that in Malaysia, but not actually in Africa yet. Oops, he threw his banana away. It is rather special to be able to be here and see them jumping around. And a lot of people have these feeding tables. He's hopefully going to sit there and feed for a bit. I know my camera quality isn't the best, but it's pretty amazing. There are 3 that tend to come down here, so hopefully we'll get a few more. Try and get a bit closer with better quality. Nope, he's off. You can hear the red-chested cuckoo in the background, which we in East Africa call the rainbird calling. We have had rain today. It's looking nice and green after lots of drought in all across Kenya. Some parts northeast Kenya did not have rain for nearly 4 years. Hopefully we'll also hear the Galagos calling tonight, or the bush babies as we call them, because they called very nicely last night. So Trish and I are standing here, and there you can see Trish, and if you look in the inside of the image you can see all these hundreds of hanging caterpillars, which are quite incredible. There are thousands of them. You can just see them there. So we're trying not to get caterpillar all over us. And here is the Galago again. This one's not the tamest of the 3, but he seems to be the greediest. Okay, this one is the one I think is the tamest of the lot, or the most habituated. You actually can even give them a bit of banana in your hand, which is amazing. And they're not worried about the dogs. We've got 4 dogs here. Hopefully he'll just sit there. You might not know really what my camera is. That's a wonderful viewing of him. Got to look at this lovely bushy tail with a white tip, and then if I zoom in on his feet, look at those wonderful fingers almost. Now they don't have a thumb like the colobus, but they've got a prehensile thumb. This is a male. And he really is quite tame. We also have another one on the table just next door. He's also getting hold of bananas, you greedy guts. Let's just watch them for a bit. Hear the frogs in the background. That's not an insect, those are frogs. We've got 3 ponds around us. Galagos also have incredible hearing. we've got a tree hyrax I just saw going past, but I don't think I can zoom in on him, he's in the dark. Look at that shadow of his head on the tree. He's looking at the camera wondering, what is this? Here's Trish giving him a banana. They're very delicate. Very delicate and very greedy. You can see the way he's looking down, that's because right below is a dog who's completely uninterested, but the bush baby is very curious. So that is how lucky we all are in Nairobi with these wonderful bush babies, and thanks everyone for sharing it with us. Those paws.
Oh, you haven't got a banana for me.
Oh listen, you can hear a Galago calling in the background. Oh, and a tree hyrax too. Oh, that was lucky because I was just about to end about 10 minutes.